Hello everybody, welcome to CyberDucky. Today we will see how to create a VLAN in a Cisco switch. So let's add our switch here, L2 switch, and then start. So it will take some time to boot, so it's still booting. So anyway, until it's boot, let me explain what we're gonna do today. So what we'll do is we just learn how to create a 1 or 2 VLAN and how to add an access port for this video, and the following video I'll show how to add 2 more switches or 3 switches, then how to trunk those VLANs we created to different switches and add devices. So if you're someone who trying to learn network, I think this is one of the video you can learn the basic thing like creating a VLAN. Yep, it started already. So let's go to enable mode and show VLAN brief. So in this command it give you what are the available VLANs. So we can see there's few. So these are dedicated for some other reasons, we don't touch that. And we can see VLAN 1 is a default VLAN, and we can see there are 4 ports already available on that VLAN. It's already by default configured. So since we are trying to connect new one, so what we do is we just go to config T and VLAN and give number maybe 100. Then you can give a name, maybe test 100. Then I exit and do show VLAN brief. Yeah, so if you're in configuration mode, right, you cannot run show config like what we did here. So the things what you had to take note is that certain things the show command we run in the enable mode, we cannot do it in config mode. So that's why I put do. So that's one you need to take note. Then we see here initially we saw only one here. Now we can see 100, which is doesn't have before, and we can see a name also, test VLAN, which created. So if you're creating more than one VLAN, you just do VLAN 101, enter, then exit VLAN 102, enter and exit, then do show again, do show VLAN brief. If you see VLAN again, we have now created another additional 2 VLANs. Before we saw only 100, we created now 101 and 102, and it's automatically it adds some name also. Okay, so we created that. So but what we see here is there is no any interface. Like in VLAN 1 we can see the ports are already there. To add ports to these VLANs, right, what we need to do is we need to go to configuration mode we are already in. So interface gig and 0/0. So what we're gonna do is this port we're gonna move to VLAN 100. So for that we type switch port mode access. So that means we are telling to the switch that okay, base port, which is gig/0/0, will be an access port because there's a two type of ports we have. One is access and trunk, so we're using as access. The access port is where all the endpoints connects. Then we say switch port access and VLAN 100. So if we go exit and again show VLAN brief, yep, you can see it moves to 1. So the VLAN 100 is 10 gig 0/0. In the previous we saw it's in this one. Anyway, so for today we will stop here, and we can see in the following video I show how to add one more switch or more than one switch, how to connect them directly, then how to trunk all the VLAN 100 and 100 or 200, all these VLANs to this switch, then connect the device here, PC, and sorry, my PC is so very bad. The PC, then connect one more PC here, make them communicate to each other. Yeah, thank you for your time and have a good day. Thank you.